Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the dot net crochet stitch. Today's stitch is a mesh stitch, and when you go to do your chain stitches you want to do a multiple of 5 plus 1. So today I have 15 chains, and then before we get started I'm going to add my extra 1 chain for our beginning chain. Now today's stitch is a 2-row repeat. Before we get started on the 2-row repeat, we will have to do a base row before we do repeat the 2-row repeat. Now after you have all your chains of multiple of 5 chained up and then your extra 1 for our beginning chain, we are going to go into that second stitch from the hook, and we are going to place a single crochet. Go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. In that 4th stitch, we are going to place a single crochet. Go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Place a single crochet into that next stitch. That is our repeating unit. So again, we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and single crochet into the next stitch. Go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and once you get to the end, we are going to place a single crochet into that very last stitch. So that is our base chain. And for the first row repeat, which is now our second row, or our second row, we are going to chain up 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and turn your work. And we are going to place a single crochet into that chain 4 space. Go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to skip the single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet, and we are going to go into the next chain space and place a single crochet. So that is the repeating unit. Again, once more, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In that chain 4 space from the previous row, we are going to place a single crochet. And then once you have got to the end, we are going to chain 1, and then we are going to place a double crochet into that single crochet that we made at the beginning of the very first row. So that is the second row repeat, the second row, and that is the first row repeat. For the second row repeat, we are going to chain 1, go ahead and turn your work. We are going to place a single crochet in the top of that double crochet from the previous row. Go ahead and chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to skip that chain 1 and that single crochet and go straight to that chain 4 space. In the second chain, we are going to place a single crochet. Go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And in that third chain space, we are going to place a single crochet. So that is the repeating unit. Again, we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, skip the single crochet, and in that chain 4 space, we are going to place a single crochet in the second chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then single crochet into that third chain, and once more we are going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and once you get to the end, you are going to place a single crochet in the top of that chain 3 space, so you have a chain 3 and then an extra chain at the beginning of the first row repeat. We are going to go into that third chain. So that is the 2-row repeat for the dot net stitch. If you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a like, share, comment, or a subscribe. But also go check out my other tutorials. I do have knitting tutorials as well if you do knit. I do have content on spinning and weaving as well. But I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time.